In your bubble bath. You're just getting a bath. You're just getting a bath. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Butt muscle, getting a bath. Man, you're living the high life. Get that stinky bit. Get that. Get that stinky armpit. What are you doing? Oh, you're snorting. Snorting in your belt, your little bath. Yeah. Yeah? You say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi. Let's get underneath your chin. Oh, get underneath that little chunky chin. Is that good? Is that good? Let's grab the little toes. Get those toes. Get those toes. Oh, those stinky little feet. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the Super shampoo. Super Deluxe. Hope we're getting paid for this, man. You're gonna pay us good. Yeah. Let's grab the scalp.